Hey guys, I want to show you a killer new product from Weldtec Designs, and this is our aluminum folding table mount. Everybody wants a folding table, you know, that is going to be on their vehicle, but you never have a great place to store it. Well, this is going to solve that problem, and you can mount this thing really anywhere on your vehicle in any form of fashion, upside down, sideways, right side, upside down. You just have fun with it. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is my Ford Transit, and this has all the Aluminess gear on the back of it, like a box and a spare tire mount. Now what I've done is right back behind here, I've mounted that folding table mount so that if when I want a table, it's just sitting there ready for me to grab it. It's not floating around inside the vehicle. This is also available on any of our Ford or Chevy bumpers, rear bumpers as well. You can also mount this if you just have an RV and you want to mount it to your ladder. We also make adapter brackets. You can bolt it straight to your ladder and have it on the back of your RV. And like I was saying, maybe you want it to go under your RV. You can mount it horizontally, slide it in and out. You can mount it on your roof rack. It goes pretty much anywhere. It's a really nice way to be able to get that table out of your vehicle and get it somewhere mounted on your vehicle instead. If you have more questions, hit the link down below. Go check it out on our website. See you guys in the next video.
But Jeremy, I want to see it on the Chevy Express.
All right, come on, let's go. So this is our Chevy Express van, which is decked out with a ton of stuff. Killer front bumper, a little baby roof rack, rock sliders, and really, this is great for towing. Now, I would show it to you in it, but I've actually probably robbed it for another vehicle like my Ford Transit, having got another one. So you can see that I mounted this one back behind the box, so on the opposite side. Now, what's really nice about this is actually when I open it up, it's even easier to get to. I can just pull the table out. I can set it up easily, put it away, close the door, and I'm done. So there it is on two different vehicles. If I had another motorhome, I have it on the back of my motorhome too, I'd show you that one. You're gonna have to come back and check out that, or head over to Jeremy's World 10, check out the full review of my Jayco 24B. I'm out of here for real this time.